Throughout history, humans have sought to cure dental ailments with methods that an enlightened mind today might find curious, if not downright bizarre. From the soothing hum of our electric toothbrushes to the comforting effects of modern anesthesia, the dentistry we know is a far cry from the remedies of the past. Join us on a journey as we explore some of the most unusual dental practices from centuries gone by, methods that sound almost too wild to be true. In the shadowy annals of dental history, we stumble upon remedies that blend the ordinary with the mystical. Imagine, if you will, living in ancient Egypt. Reference to dental care was common in their medical texts. One peculiar technique involved the crushing of mouse brains, which were believed to ease the pangs of a toothache when applied directly to the sore spot. The ancient Egyptians saw this as a meditative blend of the natural and the magical, using local resources and spiritual faith for relief. Leap forward to the Middle Ages in Europe, where medical practices sought guidance from religious rituals. A toothache at that time was typically considered a manifestation of sin, so interventions often involved a visit not to a physician, but to a priest. The afflicted were urged to pray fervently or even undergo the painful charm of touching a donkey's tooth, a supposed talisman against future dental calamities. Jump across the Atlantic to early America, where colonial settlers were at the mercy of whatever remedies they could concoct. One particularly curious cure involved holding the severed foot of a rabbit against the cheek. This was believed to draw the pain away. Praised as practical magic, such remedies were entwined with the deep-rooted belief in the rabbit's foot, which was widely seen as an amulet of good fortune. Moving into the 18th century, we encounter the intriguing case of the tooth-a-worm. Many believed that an actual worm living in the teeth was responsible for decay and pain. To combat it, they adopted methods as strange as smoking henbane seeds in an effort to smoke out the worm. It sounds fantastical, yet this belief persisted until more scientific explanations emerged. Entering the 19th century's booming industrial era, we observe a marked shift with the burgeoning field of scientific dentistry. However, remnants of peculiar practices persisted. For instance, dropping lizard's blood onto one's aching gums was reputed to offer instant relief. Though patently ineffective, such methods highlight the human penchant for blending nature's curiosities with the hope of healing. Today, we look back on these practices with a mix of amusement and awe, aware that these archaic remedies paved the way for the evidence-based dentistry we rely on today. Understanding and acknowledging these historical cures gives us insight into humanity's perennial quest for comfort amidst discomfort, a journey replete with trial, error, and the occasional stroke of genius. These bizarre dental practices reflect not just a struggle against pain, but a deeper narrative of cultural beliefs and human intuition. As we marvel at these strange cures of old, let us appreciate how far we've come in our scientific understanding, forever human in our eternal quest for healing.